Hey everyone, my name is Sarah. I am the Membership Engagement Coordinator with the Conway Chamber. I'm here to teach you guys how to use your account and your login info. If you are a Chamber member, you do get this information sent to you via email, so you get the opportunity to have access to your account, to log in anytime, and to make necessary changes. This is actually a great thing for new businesses who are Chamber members and existing Chamber members. So it's definitely important for both parties to learn how to use their account so you can make appropriate changes. So first, we're on the home page. This is where everything happens. You can see on the right upcoming chamber events, messages, your member profile status. You can also refer businesses for membership. This is always a good thing. We're always welcoming new businesses. So keep that in mind. Next, we're going to go to the settings tab. This is going to give you guys access to making the appropriate changes to your account. Anytime you guys change your name, change business names, add new employees or representatives, change phone numbers, anything that's important like that, make sure to go onto your ChamberMaster account and make those appropriate changes for your business. This saves a lot of time and gives you guys the opportunity to make those changes yourself. So have news that's going on, anything important that you want to put on here, hot deals, member-to-member deals, your news releases, job postings, and requests for proposals. Next is going to be our events tab. This is where you can see all the events that all these businesses and chamber members are having going on, and even the chamber's events themselves. It goes out about 2 months in advance so that you have the opportunity to put those on your calendar. We also have a member directory if you're ever looking for a specific business to get involved with, connected with. That's going to be here. So this has everyone in alphabetical order, so it should be pretty simple and easy to find them. If we go back over here to our settings tab, I did want to make sure I went over these tabs to the left. So it can get a little bit confusing. Even I have some trouble here and there, but you're going to have access to your personal account, the company. You can change the employees here. Like I said, if you have any new employees, go ahead and make those changes here. You can add photos, videos. You can also do your billing here, make your payments to us for any open invoices that you have. You can look at your transaction history and things like that. So if we go back to our home page, you can look to the left, and everything that I went over that was in the resources tab is also going to be here for you to click on. So please make sure that you utilize this and the access that you have to your own account. So after you've made the appropriate changes to your internal account, you're going to be able to see those changes displayed on our website that the public has access to and other chamber members. So if we look at here at the About page, this is going to throw down some drop-down tabs below. You can see about the chamber and Conway, our board and staff, events coming up. This is going to have a full calendar of all of our events. You can click on those and it'll be more specific about where they're at, what time, things like that. We also have our chamber programs on here that you can take a look at. Our ambassador program with our volunteers. That's a great way to get involved if you're interested. And then another member directory, which you already have access to with your account, but you also have access here. We also have Member Center where you can log into your account here, promote your business, news releases, and we have our resources tab. This gives you access to resources for other types of businesses. And then your hot deals are going to be over here in the Explore Conway tab. Please be sure to follow us on Facebook and all of our socials, and be sure to tag us so that we can promote you and your business. And be sure to contact me, Sarah Carroll, if you have any questions.